I'm going to use a Dave tag now, or what Dave says. Evening all. So I'll tag him in this as well, see what he thinks. Anyway, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry that this unfortunately is going to turn into a wee bit of a rant video, and I hate making them. And I'm not just speaking for myself, but are you ready? Are you ready? Right, people messaging content creators who do a trade or something like that, right? So mechanics, plumbers, electricians, we're all alike, right? We all do something as a trade. We're in demand, right? We are in demand, and people want to know stuff. Fair enough, get that. And I love hearing from people, love it. If you're going to message me, a nice polite message, you're going to get one back. Simple as. However, and it's a big however, people are really pushing them boundaries, right? We do, to the most point, have full-time jobs, families, other commitments, right? We're very, very busy people. So we release the content to answer your questions, right? If we release the content, we'll show you in a video. Sound cool? I think so. And most of the content creators, I'm going to speak for mechanics now, most of the content creators have been doing it for a while. I've got quite a few videos, right? So you don't have to message asking specifics, okay? Because we're not going to be able to give you specifics for a few reasons. Specifics, you would need diagnostic time, right? That ain't free. It's not free. We do the content so we can help you as best we can, yeah? The diagnostics is not free. The experience is not free. The data that we have to pay to access to do the job that you're asking us to do is not free. All very, very expensive, right? And the problem being is we're getting questions a lot a day as well, a lot a day of people asking over and above what they think we should do, right? They're giving us the full niche fault with the car. I've got this, I've got this, I've got this, and not willing to pay a diagnostic fee. They're not willing to take it to a garage and they want to fix it themselves. Now, I applaud massively people that want to fix their own cars. Love that. Why not? It's going to save yourself a couple of quid at least, isn't it? However, if you're reaching out to a content creator that's helping you fix your problem, your issue, giving up their time to do that, then should that be free? Should you offer something? Should they charge you for something? Yeah, of course they should, because time is money, right? And if you're getting something out of it, surely we should. But there's people in the world now that are messaging, asking for everything for free, insulting us when we don't give them it for free, because, you know, everything costs us a hell of a lot of money to subscribe to things. Then what do we do, guys? What do we do? I need your help more than hope. Down in the comments, I want to see what people think of the situation. Should we be handing out stuff for free? Should the content we create be enough? You tell me. I'm interested to see how people think, because I know how some people think they should get everything for free. That's not going to happen. So pop it down in the comments, guys. Share it far and wide. Let's have a look at what people think. And I want people in the trade as well. So mechanics out there, do people ask you to go above and beyond your niceness to take the piss? What do they do? So again, guys, down below, let me know all experiences. Share it far and wide. Let's have a lot of people commenting on this. Let's get some momentum, because it's a really big problem. Really big problem. So yeah, I look forward to seeing the comments down below, guys. Have a mega Sunday. See you all in a bit. Love you, bye.